Hi everyone, today is the 30th of April 2021 and it is the end of the month. So I'm going to be updating my account because I'm basically very transparent with my profit and loss. So in this month, I actually lost $1,609. So let's take a look at my trading account right now. My net liquidation here is $62,776, and we can see from here that the overall profit and loss year to date is $815 according to the Think or Swim. So let's take a look at my spreadsheet that I'm calculating. So at the start of the year, 3rd of January, I started with 6,000. So at the start of the year, 3rd of January 2021, I started with 63,996. And if you can watch this video here, this is where I started to open up my trade for you guys to see. So every end of the month, I'll be updating it. So January, I was making 5,000, and then February, March, and April, I was losing money. So on a year to date right now, I'm losing about 1.9%. Okay, my calculation is a little bit different from the Think or Swim platform, because for the Think or Swim platform, they only calculate the profit and loss, and this is $815. They don't include the commission. But for my calculation here, I add in the commission, because I basically take this figure and divide by this figure to derive my profit and loss year to date. So I'm losing close to 2% for the year to date, but for Think or Swim, it's just showing the loss of $815. But anyway, that is just a minor difference in computation. And so for the open and loss, you can see that I have open loss of 13,000, but again, my year to date is only $815. Why is that so? Because I've been selling premium on the call and the put side, which means that over the last 4 months, I have managed to sell about maybe 10, 11 or 12,000 worth of premium, even though I have an open loss of 13,000. But I have managed to sell 10 to 12,000 worth of premium. Of course, some of them is stock trading, but I do very little stock trading, buy and sell. So most of the time I'm selling premium. So with that, moving forward, I'm confident that I'll be able to recover this amount back in the next few months. And actually my objective for the end of the year, I hope to make 50%, which look quite hard to achieve now. So, but I'm still positive that I should be able to make from this amount right now, 62,000, I should be able to catch up to at least 80,000 by the end of this year. Which, if I can do that, I'll be pretty happy with the result. Let's see and move forward the next couple of months, and I'll continue to update, because as usual, I'm always transparent with my profit and loss. And I actually didn't do much trade, so I didn't have any trade to update. The last trade that I did was actually on the ARK Fund and Unity. You can watch this video. And then for the last 2 days, I didn't do any trade at all. I still have a lot of buying power left, about 20,000, so I still can do some more trade. But I was pretty busy lately, so I'm not doing a lot of trade. But we can see from here that a lot of option is expiring. So like Apple, which expire on the 30th of April, and then AMD also, Then we have blink that expire. So what does that mean? That means that on the coming Monday, which is the 3rd of May, I will begin selling premium again. Because I own the stock, so I'll begin to sell all the call again, and then I will start to collect premium again. So every week or every 2 weeks, I will start to collect premium, regardless of the market going up or down. Of course, if the market go up, then it will be better for me. But if the market go down, then I will continue to just collect all the premium. That is how the option wheel strategy works, and I think it's a pretty good strategy. If you just think about it, if I don't sell premium at all, then my account will really have a $13,000 loss. So if I have a $13,000 loss, which means that my $63,000 will become $50,000 right now if I don't sell any call or any put premium. So option wheel strategy to me is a very good strategy, and that should be the way to go if you really want to trade. So let's see, I will update another video when I did a trade next Monday, because definitely Monday or Tuesday I'll start selling all the call premium again for all those premium that expire. So I will see you on the next video next week. Thank you everyone, and I hope you like the video. Please subscribe and share the video. Thank you.